Hey, what's up guys? Nathan Jeb here back with another video. In today's video, we're back on Ocean Life, and I found the Ender Portal. And I'm also joined by Aiden. I'll try to put his link in the description. Hopefully that would work. And also, yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment for future uploads and for more announcements. So, yeah, or so that you'll know about them. Alright, anyways, let's go into the end.
Woohoo! Ow.
By the way, this is attempt 2.
Back here again.
Yeah, it didn't go as planned last time. Okay, we're gonna do it differently this time. Don't look at any Enderman. Don't do it. He did that in the last one, accidentally.
Where are you, mate?
This way. Just hurry to the center. Alright, I'm gonna start off by eating a golden apple. I don't even know if that registered.
Yeah, I don't back here.
No, I'm shooting these. No. It's probably just my sensitivity. Okay. Probably not the best idea, but... come on. Let me take out my water bucket.
Enderman.
Okay.
That is not being okay right now. Hey, are you down here?
No. Man, you should saw how I did that.
What, mate?
Okay.
Oh, that thing.
Oh no. That's not how I wanted to do that, but okay. I'm right here. Oh gosh. And dragon. Bullying once again. Just kidding. Can't even shoot them. just went right through. Okay. Oh, looks like it will appear for nothing.
Stop it, you Enderman.
This is a risky move, but I'll do it.
You lucky Enderman, I lost!
Just to be on the safe side, let me do that.
I know the way.
Yes. Dang, is it even possible to shoot it from here? Probably not. Oh my... Darn it.
The dent end.
Okay, dang. This one failed too, but I know what to do. I'll be right back as soon as I'm back in the end. Alright, I'm back. Again? Oh, dang. Wow. Man, destroy again. So annoying. Matter of fact, let me have it over here closer. Aiden, I'm trying to get rid of the crystal.
I have some trouble here. How? Stop it, you Enderman. Done. Come on!
Yeah. I don't
That's
even
why I
know.
know the way, Nate. Now here, which one is it? Oh, this one.
Oh my. Oh. I don't think that's the right way. Nope, no, that's not. Ah. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time. Well,
I know the way now. Oh.
yeah.
I'm back. Hey! Why teleporting me?
Let's just go.
Let's go. Ooh, that felt like it hurt. It hurt. I want to go here with a dead end like this.
Okay.
Don't look at it. Don't even look at any Endermans.
But you're the one who did that.
You too. With the other pig.
It's not like I meant to. I'm so tired of these guys. I hope I'll have enough for the battle. Really? I just wasted my cobblestone. All of the pillars are down. Okay, Aiden, you can start shooting at the Ender Dragon.
Huh? Okay, I'm shooting them. These guys are not letting me have it. Dang him.
Okay.
Pull me.
Kinda wish I had another shield with me.
Yeah?
What? Oh my gosh. Is he broken? Wait a minute. Aiden, shoot at the Ender Dragon.
What?
Shoot at the Ender Dragon. And he knocked me off.
Enderman.
Oh shoot.
Stop. Stop it, you Enderman.
Building a platform here. Okay.
I lost!
And I still fell off. No. Get up.
Hey, what happened?
Yes.
Ender Dragon.
The second time on this channel that I've done that.
Hey, what
Hmm?
do you do with that thing?
What?
That
Don't touch that.
one.
Just don't do it.
But I need XP. So who thinks I should get XP?
Oh, you got 34 levels.
Time for Endermans. Whoa!
Do we really have to do that?
Yeah.
I don't think
We
we...
have to fight Endermans so we can get Ender Crystals. Of course.
But we don't have to do that.
Stop you.
What?
You think!
I think I'm just glitching. Hold on. I'm getting attacked. Too bad you can't shoot Enderman.
Stop you! Stop it!
No.
I need help, Nate!
Can't.
How?
Almost died. I'm trying to see if there's a end city. And there is.
This is enough.
Leave a like if you would like to see us explore the end city. No. Jeez, are they even gonna let me build to it? They need to be handled.
Whoa! 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 Whoa, way!
There we go.
Why? I look
Alright.
at his eyes. Oh,
Alright, let's go.
that's me. Me. I can give you one of them. So look at me. Enter girls. I can give you some.
Okay,
I got something.
did I just get hit off by an Enderman? They're like invisible for a second. And, let me know in the comments below if you saw that.
Wow, we fell down there.
Oh, come on. They're down here too? Jeez. They're up here too. Come on.
No.
Now what? Aiden, can you tell me why all these Endermen are angry?
Maybe because I made them angry and fight you. Maybe because that is the problem.
I'll need to make some ladders or something.
Yeah. Go there.
What? How did you do that?
I tried to use the ender girl so I can go there.
Wow.
But that didn't work.
You were pretty close though.
Yeah, how you did it?
I built.
But how I'm supposed to go on there too?
I'm still thinking about that. Okay, anyways. That's where I'll end up today's video. We'll probably be back to explore the end city. I'm not really sure what I'll do with the series after that, but, yeah. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And,
We're not done.
well, yeah, we are. I just said it was about the end of the video, and I am, so, yeah. Alright, it's time to go in. Come on, Aiden.
I could go there.
Come on, Aiden.
Come on, where?
To do the outro properly.
Okay, but I'm going in another one. Go in there! And now.
Oh,
In here, in here,
just be like,
okay,
okay, so you're Steve for some reason, but I guess that's okay.
you too. That's okay too.
I'm not Steve on my screen. Anyways.
My screen was.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, anyways. We'll see you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe to both of our channels. I'll probably leave a link to his channel in my, description.
No, they're fighting me! Hit you.
And, yeah, we'll see you in the next one. I also have it in my featured channel section, so yeah, be sure to check that out, and I'll see you all in the next one, which I said like 5 times, but this is the last time.